Hey, what up? I just got this Zalerock 2-inch 5 straight spray patterns, dual mount shower head with the Rainfall shower head in matte black. As you can see, it showed up completely beat up in the box, and they ship it in the box they send it in. But let's see what we got. This was knocked out. Here's your easel. Packaging is good for sure. New foam. Pretty simple. It says H&C, kind of corny, but whatever. Here's your hose. Pretty nice. Little wall attachment. Very nice. Let's make sure this didn't get all beat to hell. The paper's ripped, but should be alright. Here's your rough end. It's protected. Looks nice. Looks to be in good shape. Here. Alright. Shower head. Let's make sure this didn't take a beating in shipping. Nope. Looks good. It's either thin metal or plastic. Diverter here. And this should rotate. Pretty nice. Looks like pretty good quality. No complaints there. Where it hits the wall. Finish is pretty nice. Plastic, but honestly, I wouldn't care. But hand shower, pretty nice. It won't pit or rust or anything, so that's good. Some of your attachments. Finally, the handle. Looks like pretty good quality. That's good feeling metal. You'll never touch the shower head other than to switch the settings, so who cares? And instructions. So there you have it. Little extended 12-month warranty. So whatever. Box was beat up, but all in all, good stuff.